Today we're going to the Lancaster Airport for an air show. So let's see what we can see. The car lots do open at 8:30 a.m. and it is $20 per car for parking. At the time we were there were these little bouncy houses that the little kids could bounce around in while we wait, and there's plenty of parking. The day we were there, the gates did not open till 10 a.m., so there was a lot of standing around. But once the lines got moving, it went pretty quick. And there's also lots of food stands just outside the entrance area that you can snack on to help the time go faster. On the days we went, admission was free, but there was a security checkpoint before you entered, and they did give you a free pamphlet that explained everything that's going to be going on that day and the whole weekend. When you first enter the air show area, they show these awesomely huge pieces of equipment that maintenance uses and the fire department uses to help maintain and secure the Lancaster Airport. Very impressive. Naturally, there are people there to sell you airplane rides and even helicopter rides if you're brave enough to go that route. The air show itself did not start until noon. However, there was no shortage of aircraft taking off and landing just to show off the engines and get some really fun visuals. This gave you more than enough time to look at all the static displays. Now, before we go on any further, I am going to have to explain I didn't know how many people were going to be at this air show or how crowded it was going to be, so I grabbed my old camera, forgetting it does not have very good stabilization in it, so I apologize for the slight shakiness. And of course, it was very loud there, so I'm going to try to cover some of that up with some background music, trying to make it a little more entertaining for you, at least until we get to the actual air show part. So enjoy.
And it was fun. It flies great.
They also had this great little movie about the Red Tail Squadron that was sponsored by the Texas Flying Legends Museum. Now, I can't show you any of the movie because it is copyright protected, but this is what it looked like inside the trailer. One of the very unexpected things we saw was these military displays that had people in period uniforms that were there to answer your questions as such, and they had some fantastic static displays and interactive activities.
You got it. All right.
Chilling.
When you were a child, if you didn't salute the American flag like this, you were thrown out of school.
As you see, the event did not forget about the little mini-me's either. Some of the larger aircraft, you could even go in and tour, with a small donation, of course.
Right, so it's like going to. By any chance built by McDonnell Douglas?
This was built by Douglas.
Elias and I were very excited about this. Luann, not so much. But she was a trooper and came along.
Why does the control columns look like steering wheels?
Because I think that was a tradition from automobiles to airplanes.
Before the air show got started, we decided to go out and get a bite to eat at the plethora of food carts and food trucks that were at this show. For those of you who have ever been to an air show and try to get video or pictures, you know it's not an easy task. But between Elias and I think we got a few interesting shots. Enjoy. Luann, Elias, and I would like to thank you for coming along with us to the air show. We hope you come back for future episodes. And as always, have a great day.